Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now that you have taken notes on all 12 steps of the grid, we are now going to do our proportion practice. In order to do this, you need a ruler, you need a blank sketchbook page. You're going to start by drawing a line down the center of your paper that is 7 inches long. Now realize my rulers do start at 0 at the end of the ruler. So 0 to 7 inches. Then, on either side of those, you're going to do 2.5 inches. You're going to try to make it as parallel as possible. 2.5 inches. And then you're going to connect it to make a 2.5 by 7 inch box. Then, once you have that box, you are going to go through all the steps, except you're going to do only half the head. So you're going to start with half an oval. All you have to do, it doesn't have to be perfect, all you have to do is make sure it does touch over here and it touches the top and the bottom. Then you're going to do your line halfway. You can use your fingers to figure out what halfway is. You can also use the ruler if you're good at math, and you can figure out that halfway, see my halfway isn't quite right because half of 7 is 3.5. So either way, so there's step 3. So I did step 1, step 2 is already done for me, step 3, and then if we half this again, so there's step 4. You need to go through all 12 steps. Once all steps 1 through 12 are all visible on this half the face, I am going to put a little signature in the corner of your paper. And then you can pick up a celebrity face. You're then going to glue that celebrity face so it lines right up with the side with your lines. Then in marker, you are going to, so once you've glued that in marker, you're going to start drawing the grid again and seeing how it lines up. So his eyes are lower. So then you're going to make a note. Okay, his lips are lower. So start going in and drawing the grid and making notes. You need at least 4 differences before you can move on to the next step, which is going to be starting your portrait.